Hi, welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I'm going to guide you through an 8-minute yoga practice that's great for practicing in the morning to help you get grounded, centered, and energized for the day. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and let's get started. Start by coming to the front of your mat in mountain pose, feet hip-width apart, root down through the heels, slight tuck of the tailbone, hug the navel to the spine, roll the shoulders back and down, reach down through the fingers, lift through the crown, close your eyes. Take a moment, notice how your breath feels today. Scan through your body, notice how your body feels. Then tune inward, notice how you're feeling mentally and emotionally today. Take a deep inhale through the nose, reach the hands out and overhead, gaze up at the thumbs. Exhale through the mouth, hands to heart. 2 more cleansing breaths like that. Inhale, reach the hands out and overhead, gaze up at the thumbs. Exhale through the mouth. Nice cleansing breath. 3rd time, take a deeper inhale, expand through the belly, the ribs, the chest, bring your palms over your head, hold your breath. Exhale, hands to heart. Now close the eyes and we'll start Ujjayi breath. Deep inhale through the nose, long breath out through the nose. Take a deeper inhale through the nose, a longer breath out through the nose. Continue to deepen and lengthen your breath and set an intention, perhaps in the form of an affirmation, an I am statement, a state of being you would like to cultivate today, such as I am grounded, I am centered, I am focused, I am present, I am peaceful. And for the next 3 breaths, silently recite your affirmation. Inhale, reach the hands out and overhead. Exhale, grab your left wrist, draw the left wrist to the right for a big body stretch along the left side. Gaze up at the sky, deep breath in, long breath out. Inhale back to center. Exhale, grab your right wrist, draw the right wrist to the left till you feel a big stretch along the right side body. Gaze up at the sky, take a big inhale, a long exhale. Inhale back to center. Exhale, cactus the arms, open the heart space, squeeze the shoulder blades, deep breath in, long breath out. Deep breath in. Exhale, interlace your fingers behind you, close your wrists, draw your fists back behind you. Inhale, open more through the chest. And exhale, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Make sure you don't lock your knees. A micro bend in the knees is recommended. Relax your head, hold as you keep reaching your fists towards the sky for a deep breath in, a long breath out. Deep breath in. Exhale, release your hands in front of your feet. Inhale, press your right fingertips in front of your right foot, bend the right knee. Keep the left leg straight as you reach your left arm high to the sky, opening up the left hip. Deep breath in. Long breath out as you forward fold, straighten the legs. Inhale, bend your left knee, press your left fingertips into the mat. Reach your right arm high to the sky. Open the right hip, big breath in. Long breath out as you straighten the legs and fold. Inhale, halfway lift, fingertips to shins. Flatten the back, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise, reach the hands out and overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Now we'll do that same sequence a couple more times, picking up the pace, 1 breath per movement. Inhale, reach the hands out and up. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, side stretch to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, cactus the arms, open the heart space. Inhale, interlace your fingers, close the wrist, open the chest. Exhale, bow. Reach the fist towards the sky. Take a big breath in. Exhale, release your fingertips in front of your feet. Inhale, bend the right knee, left arm reaches high to the sky. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend your left knee, right arm reaches high to the sky. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise, gaze up at the sky. Exhale, hands to heart. Same sequence again. Inhale, reach and stretch. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, side stretch to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, open the heart. Inhale, interlace your fingers behind you, open the chest. Exhale, fold. Deep breath in. Exhale, release your hands in front of your feet. Inhale, bend the right knee, left arm reaches high. Exhale, fold. Inhale, twist the other way, gaze up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. This time, bend your knees, plant your hands, step or hop back to plank. Hips in line with shoulders, shoulders over wrist. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, chaturanga, elbows hug the ribs. Inhale, open the heart space, gaze up. Up dog. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, back to down dog. Take a big breath in, a long breath out. Inhale, look between your thumbs, bend your knees, step or hop to halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise, reach the hands out and up. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Now I'm going to show you breath of joy. It's 3-part breaths. So you breathe in through the nose, 1/3 of the lungs. Then you breathe in again, fill up the middle of the lungs. Then you breathe in more, fill up the top of the lungs. So it's not 3 breaths, it's a 3-part breath. Breathing in through the nose, and then you exhale, ha! And the hands come up to the side, up, and as you exhale, ha, you just swoop your arms by your legs. And this is an energizing breath to refresh your body, refresh your mind, and bring levity to your day. So you ready to try it? Okay. So it's, remember, 3 sniffs, exhale, ha. One more. Inhale, reach the hands high to the sky. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Close your eyes. Notice how you're feeling outward. Observe how you're feeling inward. Bring your awareness back to your breath, back to the intention, the affirmation you set for yourself. And may this affirmation, the state of being, carry with you throughout your day. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Comment below. Let me know how this video felt for you. If you're in need of a new pair of yoga clothes that feel great, look great, and are high quality, click the link below for Yoga Flow with Kim branded yoga attire like I'm wearing today. It has my logo on it to remind you, when life presents changes and challenges, breathe deeply and find your flow. Namaste.